Hello everyone! In this video, I'll share with you everything you need to know about Bagua mirrors and how to use Bagua in Feng Shui. Bagua is also known as 8 trigrams, which represent 8 natural phenomena: heaven, earth, wind, thunder, water, fire, mountain, and lake. Bagua mirror is a very powerful Feng Shui tool. Its main function is to cure the negative energy, attract the positive energy, and adjust our Feng Shui environment. For example, if the front door or window of your house is directly facing a chimney, a utility pole, power station, sharp corner of a building, or any sharp objects that generate sha qi, you can use the Bagua mirror as a remedy to reduce the sharp energy. The Bagua mirror can be hung on top of the door frame or window frame to cure the negative energy, drive away unfavorable elements, and adjust your overall Feng Shui. You can also use Bagua inside your home to balance energy and achieve harmonious energy flow. In Feng Shui, there are 4 types of Bagua and they need to be used the right way. Today, I will talk about how to use the Convex Bagua mirror, Concave Bagua mirror, flat Bagua mirror, and Bagua with Yin Yang Symbol. The Convex Bagua mirror is bulging outward. Its function is to bounce back and block the negative energy from entering your home or business premises. For example, if your house is facing the poison arrow of the T-junction road, the sha qi can directly affect your home Feng Shui. This is where you can use the Convex Bagua mirror to cure the negative energy. However, do not place the Convex Bagua mirror opposite your neighbor's door or window because it could be very harmful for your neighbor. The second type is a Concave Bagua mirror. The Concave Bagua mirror is the opposite of the Convex Bagua mirror. The mirror in the center is bulging inward. Its main function is to absorb energy. For example, if your front door is right above a staircase, this means that the positive energy in your home can rush down the stairs and flow away. Therefore, you can hang a concave Bagua mirror on the front door to absorb and collect the positive energy and prevent it rushing down the stairs. If you have a business at a crossroad, you can also use the concave Bagua mirror to help collecting wealth energy from the road. This method is only suitable for business, but not for home. The concave Bagua mirror can help disperse the negative energy and turn it into wealth energy. The third type is a flat Bagua mirror. The flat Bagua mirror has a flat surface. A flat Bagua mirror can be used to bounce back and receive energy, depending on the situation. A flat Bagua mirror can also reflect back negative energy from outside, such as road or buildings with sharp edges. The fourth type is a Bagua without a mirror, but it has a Yin Yang symbol in the middle. This type of Bagua can be used at home to balance energy and cure the negative energy of the bad flying stars. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you find my video helpful. If you like my video, please like, comment, and share. See you next time.